Okay, I am going to do this is Kelly Dodge, by the way. I'm going to do a very quick tutorial on profit agility. So let me share my screen here and make sure that you have registered for profit agility. You will see it listed when you go to Travel Cafe and you go to your suppliers. You will go to see if this is still active. This is from yesterday, but you'll see it down here. I'm sharing my screen, so you should be able to see this. You'll see it's at the very bottom and it's going to be separate. Once you register for Profit Agility, you will once you get access, you'll be able to get in. I always have all of my vendors and suppliers. They're bookmarked, as you can see. So we're just going to log right in. And one important thing I want to make sure that you do before you do profit agility is take their training. It's very, very short. But there are some rules that apply to profit agility because these are timeshares. These are timeshares that um they're trying to book, right? They didn't get their open weeks that they need to sell, right? If you know how timeshares work. Now I do want you to watch the training. I'm just going to say that, sometimes you hear the word timeshare, you're like, here's the deal. They have no obligation whatsoever to go to a seminar or what have you to be pressured into trying to buy a timeshare. They can always just, they don't have to go. They might be asked to go, they might not, but they might be. And one of the rules in Profit Agility is you can't tell them not to go or to refuse to go. But you can get some really, really, really great deals in here. And this is all instant commission. I've made over $1,000 on one single booking. So I'm going to show you really quickly how I create travel ads to attract people to these hot deals. So I like to do last minute deals. Now, last minute deals this time of year is nice because um, there are people who have time off for the holidays and maybe they're booking something last minute. A lot of people need to spend some money at the very end of the year, just depending. So, okay, so I clicked on last minute deals and it's going to sort. You can sort this by pricing. I always leave it sorted to high to low, I believe is what I have it as. Okay, so it starts high to low, but you can go the other way. Now, these prices are not per person. Let me go back. I keep clicking it. This is for the entire stay. These are 1 week blocks. That's important to know. You're going to have a check-in and a checkout date, and they're in week blocks. Okay. Also, this is not per person. This is for the entire stay. So we're going to look at a couple of things. Now, here's Massachusetts. It's a courtyard. It's nothing fancy, nothing exciting. Sometimes people, though, will seek out where to go based on price. Before I was an agent, I used to use Verbo, and I used to always look for something within a certain mile radius, and I would search for the cheapest place to just go. It didn't matter where it was. You can find something fun to do wherever you go, at any rate. So once you see this, you are going to look at now. This includes taxes and fees, $124.95 for the entire week. You can't really even get a hotel room for one night for that. So here is, hold on one second. Let me pause this 1 second. I just 1 second.